Hey guys, I'm just going to be giving a breakdown of one of the calls we put out on the 3rd of March, just showing you on the chart what we were thinking and how we came to the breakdown for this. So on Sunday the 3rd of March, I said that USD JPY, the daily wave was breaking down from plus 60 as a regular bearish divergence, and therefore it's highly probable that the 4-hour wave would be going toward negative 60. So that would be a D15 short at the start of the week, and then as a result of the daily breaking down on plus 60, the weekly may also be a weekly 1 hour short because the daily is breaking down. So I'm just going to go to the charts and show you how that played out. Okay, so this is the start of the week in question. I put the call out on the Sunday, and then this was the Monday after that, guys. And you can see based on the Discord, I was saying that we were getting this very kind of subtle regular divergence on the daily. Therefore, we were concentrating on D15 shorts. So I'm just going to mark up a few of these just to show you that D15 short. Okay, so at the start of the week, you might have had one stop out, and then you had the regular divergence in the 15-minute time frame. That wave also hit plus 60. So as per our entry rules, price was above the daily open. Then we had market cipher B wave hitting plus 60, the overbought level. In this case, it was a regular divergence entry as well. And then a candle body closing under the AEMA. So that was the correct entry. You can see it was always safe if you swung the high. So with the D15 continuation entry, you would be targeting a take profit point of the 4-hour hitting negative 60. And we had said in the Discord that the daily wave breaking down on plus 60 was highly probable in sending the 4-hour wave to negative 60, which is your continuation take profit for a D15. So let's go have a look at the 4-hour time frame. So here we go. That's the first time it's going in and possibly closing. So anywhere in this area, you could say, was going to be your take profit for the D15 short continuation on USD JPY for that week. And then I had also said because the daily was breaking down on plus 60, it was highly likely to cause the weekly candle to also be a bearish candle that week. Just going to look at the weekly time frame. Yep, and you can see, so that would be a reversal. So the week was not below the AEMA. It only became that way because the daily breaking down on plus 60 caused the candle to reverse on the weekly. So a weekly 1 hour short reversal, the take profit would also be a 4-hour anchor. So let's just go and have a look at the 1 hour time frame. And that was our daily entry, and it looks like the weekly entry was basically stacked on top of the daily entry. So I'll just go have a look at the data window. I think it just missed hitting the overbought level on the 1 hour. Yeah, it was 59.7. So I'll just round that up. I mean, it's so close anyway. So price was above the weekly open. The 1 hour wave, you wanted to hit plus 60, the overbought level. And then you want the candle body closing under the AEMA. So you can see that the daily and the weekly entry is more or less the same in this case. And again, the take profit is still the 4-hour anchor. So there was a lot of confluence for this move to take place. And then in the TPM and Discord, I did also say for this call that it could be, I'm just going to clean my chart, it could be a monthly 4-hour long continuation. Because the monthly is above the AEMA and the 4-hour is below the monthly open price, hitting the oversold level negative 60, and then body closing above the AEMA. I don't know. We're going to have to wait to see if this even plays out. It's a much larger part of the fractal, so I don't know yet. A monthly 4-hour long continuation, you'll be looking to take profit when the weekly wave is hitting plus 60. It looks like the weekly is breaking down, if I'm honest. So we just have to see what happens here. It might not be a monthly 4-hour continuation. That's something that we can still keep tracking. But anyhow, as I do in all the videos, guys, I'm just going to show you that that 1 hour entry was catching the top wick on the weekly candle. So I've just zoomed in to show you that by using the overbought and the oversold levels on lower time frames, we are catching the upper and lower wick on a higher time frame candle. And it just helps you placing your stop loss in the safest possible place that you could expect to place it. And then the idea of that is to increase your win rate and also to maximize your return for the size of the higher time frame candle, whatever it's going to become. You don't know what the size of the candle is going to be, but that's not the point. All you can do is follow your entry conditions and take whatever the market gives you once the higher time frame candle is closing or hitting your exit conditions. So I hope you guys enjoyed that breakdown of the call we gave for USD JPY. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys.